The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration is predicting an active hurricane season. Now, this is because of the shift from El Nino to La Nina. El Nino, warmer oceans, storing a lot of energy, and then shifting to La Nina cuts the winds in the upper atmosphere, creating a situation perfect for storm formation. We had a really wet winter with El Nino, bringing a lot of rainfall, increasing the stage height of Lake Okeechobee to a stage that we needed to release discharges. Now with La Nina, we have received less rainfall. In fact, parts of the state are in severe drought conditions. With drier conditions, the lake level has receded to normal stage heights for this time of year. Discharges have been discontinued and water quality, we're in a good place. However, with this active season predicted, we might get really large amounts of rainfall in very short amounts of time, presenting a situation where we need to discharge again during those months where we might have more cyanobacteria on Lake Okeechobee, and we might have later in the year a Florida red tide bloom on the West Coast. That's why even in times that we're not discharging, we need to be persistent with our efforts to bring water south, to treat that water and replenish the Everglades.